Hey girl.
12 ounces, 12, 13, 14.
Yo, you see more shape.
This is perfect. Hi.
It's been so that's my sister. My little baby sister going like she big. She not on ass.
She be gone.
Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
Look at this. And then let me drop it.
Okay, so with the Fantana.
I like it with that chop.
With the champions. What you look for? Can't go to Rakisha and she don't know what she want.
Can't carry things there, so. It's a less than $1,000, you know? $369 on the top.
Too much sweets are good for you.
I bought everybody else here.
You know good food.
No, you already established that. What else you want?
Come.
Macaroni.
Not nails, I don't want not nails. I don't want not nails.
Well, like, you know,
Come on. You ready now? So we got everything that we want. No, we are leaving. We are leaving. So we are leaving.
Same size. I same size, no?
yes, it is.
So Rakisha and
One girl.
Baby girl.
Okay. Sure, pink. Pink will be
Yes.
I'm just the video man for today.
The breast
Yes. A breast pump.
Yeah.
Yes. We're gonna need how much?
Where you want pump out our milk for? Why do you want pump out our milk for?
Because the breast get heavy when you're going to extract the milk or else it will hurt.
So the baby can suck it.
Baby can suck everything out one time.
Just keep the breast in our mouth, or in mouth,
No.
and not take out it.
Alright, you can buy one of these. $3.75. Yeah, no cute one pink one, remember? Where? It's red.
But the green one cute, so take the green one.
You have any purple one?
No, we're not dealing with no purple. The green.
I fit all around me, top it all like a man. Then she bend down low, put she a polish. So she want the beating,
Slavery abolish.
me and my ex them good. Whenever malice, I'm girl every state, every parish. I've got bitches up we have to know my palace. Fucking on my robe, I live lavish. Touch everything till that tomorrow I'm vanish. Get it from Suriname, Mom Paris.
Hi guys! Another vlog. How are you guys doing? So we are out and about today and we are over by Margaritaville at this time. So we just come over here for relax. It's Good Friday. It's a holiday. So we just go relax over here. We just came from the supermarket where I got some stuff.
Yes, we can park over here. We can park over
Where
here.
Really? We are going all boat. We are going to Margaritaville. We are going to Knoxford. We are going to Devon House. We spent wild money today. Why?
What are the man they say? We can't go on
We are going to
and
Devon House. We are going to
Oh, we just want to park over there. Wherever we go over here is fine. So, yeah, so we're going over there. A lot of places are not open because of the holiday, so we just want to relax and chill over here. So it doesn't even matter which part over here we go. Gordonz River, you know, if you walk go down, or they fix up over there.
Go down London nice.
As in, they fix up down there. Last time we go there, you have to go down, like, you have to, like, stone and stuff. They make steps to go down there.
Right down there.
They make steps down there now, because the last time I went, there were no steps. So that made they ask.
I'm going to go and do the thing.
What do you mean? You don't come? Huh?
I'm a driver today.
You have to come, what you mean? Kem a be lame. Kem is being a lame one today. I don't know. Kem, you're being lame. You are being lame, dude. Alright, guys, so. Hello. So we bought a bag of apples, apple time now. See me eat one of them, I know. You know why me get copyright in my video, not true? So, yes guys, so outfit of the day. This is not my hair, guys. I know some persons are going to ask, what you do to your ear? What you do to your ear? I did nothing to my hair. This is just sewing. I did touch up a little section here on my ear for it to look natural, but you know, do good. So I just have to rock with it.
Yeah, about 6 black vlog you make with this one.
No, me never post them. Me never post them. For true. Took up my glasses off my chair. No.
Okay, yeah.
Can't see. Top work today.
Brother and sister squabble.
Where's the glass?
Yeah.
Keep by the glass.
Yeah.
Why you can't argue so?
You lock the door?
Okay, man, where's the glass?
This is so weary.
When?
I should not get the ugly nose.
Me wear glasses from grade 8. I mean, wear
Well,
no.
I get ugly nose of wear glasses. I said, I know your favorite atma no girl.
No.
No favorite atma.
Alright guys, so we're gonna chill. I'm gonna see what I go on about the place and thing. It's been a while that we have vlogged because we're busy. And I know you guys understand. So thank you guys so much for all the support, even when we're not posting. Alright? Ensure that you follow us on Instagram. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
When you go to a movie theater, go do any man say, I'm not there for you too. You go look at a movie I play.
Yeah, I'm just want to go look.
Where you want to look for? I want to go home.
Yeah, I believe me here early. I want to go.
Me have seen that. The reason why me I go home because me have whole party to go.
Then I have nothing to do.
My video to go and go make.
Current gone.
No current come back. And me have the things that I download. Wanna buy? I wanna buy.
We're not buying anything, we're just here. We just sit down and relax. Well, we can't just sit down and relax.
So you have begin to relax in a town, in a DB town.
No.
Mommy.
No.
I relax.
That's too local.
I relax one. Like you know, relax in yard.
No.
Mommy.
Want a new view, a new look, outlook on life. Why open them?
I come at down so we are going to cut, but not better. But I first thing. Alright, come. My God. Not better. Driver will live near. United.
So, I want to watch this movie.
This
Little.
movie. This movie. Who want to watch this movie?
Little. If you want to watch that movie as well, comment down below. I'm fascinated with it. I really want to watch it. They are Avengers.
Hey, good morning.
Shazam. Hello. And they have Wonder Park. One cartoon right here, so I can't see good. I really want one. Probably nice. It look nice. I'm gonna come at theater come watch it. I just watch it on my yard. But I really want to watch little.
Shazam. Now what's
Shazam. Shazam! You know, Shazam!
What's next to the album? Hey, so we're up to the safe did the expose. Can you try it?
Move! Me not hear that a bit no crime. Move! Oh God. Game is crazy. Yeah, so basically nothing not going really, you know.
Nothing going on. Nothing. We got to go somewhere else.
You silly? Huh? Should I try to get my pass now? Nobody don't want to come out watch it with me. Everybody lame. It's what them lame. Lame. Oh, yeah. You're good at margarita, babe. I think something dropped. My great Margaritaville, so yeah. Okay then. A picture you tell me take a
Video.
video you did.
Video.
Video. Y'all, we were just taking some pictures and I swear Kim dropped me down. Me feel so me lick my head. I go show now, I probably insert a picture right here. So, oh, you can see Kim nearly let me drop on my head.
I asked you a picture.
No, but me nearly drop.
No, go drop.
Honestly, my hand slip and me nearly drop. You know, say me never hold the shoulder properly.
Because of these.
I know because, no, stop. I
Look.
know because of that. I can't have my phone in my hand. Me never
So where did
hold
phone in
it
hand when I
properly.
take picture? You're not supposed to hug up your man.
What you talking about? Me did just have my phone. I was just there not there taking pictures. So, yeah. So this is what's happening. Just chill out and relax. I'm showing you what we are seeing now.
Where the fuck they at? Yeah, me feel fresh out. Money when my gun, when my black out. Me want go in my car, but me lock out. Can't find me key, look like a drop out. Oh, I want. You know, so we trending youth.
So hi guys, we are all back home, comfortable and thing. Feel kind of sleepy, so I think I'm gonna do that. But I have to go up to my grandmother's tonight because tomorrow I'll be attending a baby shower for my cousin. So this is where I'm going to end this vlog, and I'm going to be vlogging tomorrow as well, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for being here with us, even though we have not been posting as much. Please leave a comment down below, whatever comment that may be, leave it down below, as well as hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell as well, so you can be notified when we upload a new video. Also follow us on our social media. Instagram, it's in the description bar down below. Please go ahead and follow us there. We will follow you back and all that good stuff. So thank you guys so much for rocking with us, and we will see you guys in the next video. Bye. That's it. Bye, Kim.
Bye.